You're about to spend money at the pump. You think you know what you're buying. You don't. Imagine pulling onto the highway after a fill-up, and the car shudders, loses power, then dies. The repair bill? More than your monthly rent. In this video, I'll show you 13 types of gasoline that quietly wreck engines, and the one simple choice that saves you thousands. Stay with me. I'll reveal the EPA trick at the end that costs drivers an average of $4,000. Hit like and subscribe if you want your car to live longer than your mechanic's patience. Let's go. 13. Using non-premium in a high-compression engine. Sounds basic, but this mistake is dramatic. High compression in turbo engines need higher octane to prevent pre-ignition. That metallic ping you hear is tiny explosions attacking pistons. One careless tank of the wrong octane can mean cracked pistons, warped heads, and a bill that looks like a small home renovation. If your owner's manual says premium, use it. Don't bargain hunt at the expense of an engine rebuild. 12. Gasoline cut with kerosene or paraffin. A shady shortcut? Mix kerosene to stretch tanks. Short term, you might feel a weird pep, but the long game is black smoke, fouled plugs, clogged injectors, and catalytic converters that die early. Kerosene leaves gummy deposits. It dilutes oil. It turns a perfectly healthy engine into a sludge factory. If your car starts running lumpy and smells like burned oil after a fill-up, that's a red flag. 11. Methanol-tainted fuel. Methanol is a racer's fuel. Great in a purpose-built car, lethal in everyday vehicles. It eats rubber and plastics, draws water, and corrodes aluminum. Injectors, pumps, tanks, all at risk. You'll pay in leaks, in rusted components, in a fuel system nightmare. Water methanol injection as a modification? That's a different conversation. But factory cars should never see methanol in the tank. 10. Stale, old gasoline. Gasoline ages fast. 3 to 6 months is the window. Left in slow-moving station tanks or unused containers, it oxidizes and loses volatile components. Old gas gums up filters, fouls injectors, and makes cold starts a nightmare. Then stranded after a winter fill-up, old fuel or phase-separated ethanol could be the culprit. Pick busy stations. Keep a fresh tank. 9. MMT and unknown octane boosters. Some regions use manganese-based additives like MMT as octane boosters. They can foul oxygen sensors, jam catalytic converters, and throw your engine's computer into confusion. Manufacturers hate it because it ruins sensors and voids warranties. The worst part, it's often not labeled at the pump. Ask. If they dodge the question, don't gamble your warranty. 8. Diluted fuel. Water, solvents, or cheaper hydrocarbons. This is deliberate fraud in some places. Water sloshes in the tank or solvents get mixed in. The result is sudden stalls, misfires, and catastrophic engine damage if you drive on it. A car that dies a mile after refueling, that's often not bad luck, it's bad gas. If your car stalls immediately after a fill-up, don't keep driving. 7. Water-contaminated gas. Heavy rains, faulty seals on delivery trucks, or tank leaks let water into underground storage. Water in fuel causes misfires, corrosion, and ruined pumps. It's sneaky because symptoms mimic other problems. After storms, pick stations with high turnover and report strange behavior. A single complaint saves everyone else from a ruinous repair bill. 6. E85 or high ethanol blends in non-flex fuel cars. Ethanol absorbs water and acts like a solvent. Flex fuel cars are built for it. Regular cars are not. Too much ethanol swells seals, eats rubber, and leads to lean conditions that overheat valves and pistons. If the pump has an E85 label or special warning, read it. A cheaper gallon is not worth $5,000 in engine work. 5. Diesel in gasoline tanks or vice versa. Wrong fuel is classic, and it happens more than you think. Diesel in a gasoline engine causes rough running and stalls. Gasoline in a diesel engine strips lubrication and wrecks high-pressure pumps instantly. Rental cars, similar nozzles, distracted drivers. The perfect storm. If you accidentally pump the wrong fuel, don't start the engine. Call the pros. 4. Cheap fuel with weak additive packages. Not all fuels are created equal. The EPA sets minimum additive standards, but top-tier fuels have stronger detergent packages that keep intake valves and injectors clean. Non-top-tier gas can allow carbon to build rapidly, especially in direct injection engines, causing rough idle and lost performance long before 100k miles. Pay a few cents more per gallon today, save thousands in cleaning and repairs tomorrow. 3. Microbial growth in fuel. This is the invisible killer, fungi and bacteria that feast on fuel when water is present. They create sludge and acid that clog filters, corrode tanks, and ruin injectors. You won't notice until the car hesitates under load or won't start in heat. If a certain station has a pattern of failures, stop using it and warn others. Microbes don't care about brand loyalty, they just eat your fuel. 2. Winter versus summer blend mix-ups. Fuels change seasonally. Winter blends have a higher vapor pressure to help cold starts. Summer blends don't evaporate as easily. If stations switch late or you get summer blend in cold weather, your car can be hard to start or run rough. Timing matters, and in extreme cases, you could be stranded in freezing temps. Know when blends change in your region and avoid sketchy stations during transitions. 1. Non-top-tier gasoline. The silent wallet slayer. This is the single most common and preventable problem. Top-tier fuel meets manufacturer-backed detergent standards that dramatically reduce carbon buildup. Tests show huge differences in intake valve deposits between top-tier and cheap no-name pumps. Carbon builds on direct injection engines fast, as little as 10,000 miles. And once deposits start, performance, economy, and engine longevity suffer. The fix? Use top-tier brands, or use a trusted fuel additive recommended by your car maker. It's the cheapest insurance you'll ever buy. Quick real-world checklist. Say these out loud as you watch, then follow them next time you fuel. Check the pump label, octane, and ethanol percentage. Pick busy, reputable stations, turnover matters. After storms, avoid stations with low traffic. If the car runs poorly after filling, don't drive far, report it. Use top tier when possible. A few cents per gallon beats thousands in repairs. Final warning, the EPA's minimum fuel standards keep bad gas out, mostly, but minimum is not best. Some stations legally meet the minimum while selling fuel that accelerates deposits and corrodes systems faster. The secret? Manufacturers pushed top tier for a reason. That $0.05 to $0.12 extra per gallon buys stability, detergents, and a real safety net for your engine. Ignore it, and you're effectively paying the station to sell you a future engine bill.